everyone. Today we want to quickly talk about two important issues: scams and fake news.
Scams are everywhere. From phone calls to online shopping. Always double check before you're giving out your information. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Scammers often try understand the take a moment to take and verify before making any decision.
Payment is paid when the customers real. Always check for duplicate or share anything online.
You can verify it, don't share it. A quick fact check prevent misinformation from spreading. Talk to your friends and family about danger of scam and fake news. Awareness is the key to make everyone safe.
Remember, scammers are getting smarter today, so we need to step ahead. If something feels off, just check this thing and investigate further.
By staying informed and cautious, we can protect ourselves and our community.
So let's stay vigilant.